ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi da ka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ke East West Group of Institution Bangalore kebeladon kemasan post MA bat ke bapau baha ke kod admission na kebenta ke nursing and paramedical course yang jingte bakambanya kol hai kini ke number harum.
Kawai ke Khlem Nonghikai ke badang lung hagarta ya ke badang seng house nam khakandai spa khandai penrio kat badang mi isngi bagi Islam kadang yai tingshan bayo ban khai uso jong jingjob badda kini ke jingla ban leb ha ki Nonghikai ke Hillcrest Higher Secondary School ki lapan pau bagi dap de jing sngo sarong ya ke jingjob jong ki khana school ha kini ke examen Sslc arja opsau halo ke jingpun khre ban tho ya ke examen secondary school living certificate ne ke Sslc ki bor penya jong school ki pha tang khan Rungut ki khana banya khon ya kini ke examen handai onda lapan banai ke result shispa na ke shispa boro ki khana ki pass bat laingut ki bayo Rung ha ke Thup top 20 kani ke school kade ke badan harinja bat minta ban ong ba kade ke wei na ki school ki badan ha kani ke than ban pau bha da ke jingla ban le bha ki khana school ba ke jingtre shitom ki Nonghikai ka school kam dei shu ke sien baningkong ban yo Rung ha ke Thup top 20 handai la dei ke sien ke ba ar bat ke baningkong kade house nam arja khan yo bat wei ni ki khana school ulayo Rung ha ke kerdan top 15 habayo banyak keren ba vice principal jong ke Hillcrest Higher Secondary School ke pi bordoloi kalau penpau ba school kamshim lamudur ba hadu laingut kinyo Rung ha ka Thup top 20 ban hadu sausin kinthi ba ki khana kin pass lut baro.
My name is Yenkom Sonali Devi. I am from Hillcrest High Secondary School. I got the 18th position in the SSLC examination. Yes, I'm very happy with the result. I never expected I'll be among the top 20 list. I used to study around 5 to 6 hours in a day, and during holidays I used to study around 10 hours. Yes, the teachers are very helpful. Whenever I need any help regarding my studies or anything, they are always there to help and support us. I plan to become a doctor. I want to pursue medical. It's been 4 years. We are all the students who did in their exam, who appear metric. They all pass for like 4 consecutively for 4 years.
What's the message for the students of Hillcrest?
Work hard. You cannot study at the last moment. It wouldn't help you anything. So be consistent and strive for the best.
Yes, I'm very happy and proud of myself. No, I was not expecting any position. Yes, they are very helpful. They always help and guide us throughout the year. If we need any help, they always help us, and they urge us to come and ask for help if we need anything. I'll pursue medicine and become a doctor. My message is that you should always be focused and consistent, and remember that there is no alternative for hard work.
We are actually very happy and very proud. This is something which is unexpected actually. Of course, we know our girls are good. We were expecting something very good, but this position, what I mean here is that 3 positions at a time. We were actually looking forward for 1 position, but then when the results were declared and we saw that 3 of them from our school got the position, this was something. Position we did get in 2017. There was 1 position from our school. For class 10, this is the 3rd consecutive year, and for class 12, it is the 5th consecutive year of 100% pass percentage from our school.
Can you tell us when the school started?
The school started in 1996. We just recently.
How did it grow?
Yeah, actually it has grown in a very short span of time. The school was started only with the pre-primary section, and then after that it progressed, and this is where we are today, class 10 and then class 12, and then with our results it is progressing. Just be positive, and I think there is no compromise for hard work. Just keep working hard and give your best. That is what we always tell our children. Give your best, and we are there to back you up.